What up, guys? Today we are going to review the old C3 Vtwin custom pipe that I had made. Love the way this thing looks. It's really bronzed out really well. It's got a titanium can. I think Ryan wraps the baffle with like a stainless steel and ceramic. He did a custom offset rear mount, if you can kind of see it. Did that so because I'm running 14 reservoirs with the A1 high lift, so I got it bumped up like 14.5 currently. So I mean, this gives me the clearance from the axle nut. But yeah, we're gonna go see if we can't get a nice listen to it. Talk about it a little bit, tell you the pros, and there's been zero cons, so honestly I can't really say there's any cons to it so far. Put quite a few miles on it so far too. But yeah, let's get a little scoot in, huh? I gotta get some gas too. This thing loves gas. Absolutely loves it. Loves gas. Oh. Always freaking construction going on. And I swear PA just loves doing it all at the same time. Let's see how this pipe sounds. Ooh. It sounds so good. I hope that's doing it justice, this mic right now. I'm not sure if it is. Say hi to old fella. Haha, love it. So yeah, I mean, about the pipe. I mean, I love it's got the stainless look. It's kind of got the curves of like an HPI. I love the titanium can. Just gives it a different look. The sound, again, I had him, he also, when I got it custom, I wanted it cut to end at the back of the bags, like not hanging out any further. He did that perfectly. I wanted it to work with my 14-inch shocks, did that perfectly. I honestly think I could probably bump it up to 15 if I really wanted to with this high lift. But I mean, 14 feels pretty good. 14.5 feels pretty good. Like one of the big reasons I love this pipe so far is that, I mean, it's had to get out before that guy got me. Like cruising, it's not obnoxious, doesn't have that drone that some pipes have, but like getting on it, it's super loud. But it's got a nice crisp sound to it. Deep. So like cruising right now, 2500, 4th gear. Can barely hear it, but it sounds good. Yeah. Oh, come on. Like I said, road work at all times. And it's not like they do one thing and then do something else. They do it all at once. But I will say there's a lot of them standing around. A lot of them standing around half the time. You gotta love it. Boy, it's steamy out. Oh, a couple new things too. I got this My Machinist, the horn delete with the little air scoop. We'll take a look at that too. It's pretty sick. I got San Pietro Designs derby cover with the quick fill. Thing's sick. Call it that Rolly. Other than that, this bike's done. I'd like to go big bore at some point. Maybe next winter. Take it to my dyno guy, Kyle Smock, up in Conneaut. We've had a couple conversations of bumping it up to a 128. I'm thinking that's the route I want to go, like 11.0 compression. Still trying to, I'm like in between. Do I bump it up to I don't know what just happened there. That was weird. Do I go all out with the 128? Like valve springs. I don't know if I want to do heads. Heads are like a little absurd. But maybe I do. I don't know. Thinking valve springs, higher lift cam. I like this road. Yeah, like what? Valve springs, 128, 11.0 compression, like a 550 cam. Do I do ported heads, plus 2 valves? I don't know. Is it worth it? If he's got everything cracked, might as well kind of thing, huh? That's what I'm thinking. Probably need to do a compensator. Clutch is fine. I have the heavy springs in it. I'm sure that I'm thinking like if I get 150 or I don't know 150 160 somewhere around there. I'd be happy with 150 or actually 140 150 somewhere in there. I'd be happy. Currently at like 133 torque, 122 horsepower. Already feels really good, but yeah, you know, always want a little bit more, right? I have no idea if I'm recording. Okay, I am. Whew. That's gonna be pissed. Yep. I even like that decel. Yeah, we'll get some gas real quick, and then we can stop somewhere real quick, and we can do a little bike check. A little bike check. Steamy out. Oh, slow down. Whoa! That'll do. Let's go find a nice little cool spot. We can chit chat. This place has got some fire soft serve. I got a peanut butter chocolate swirl. Nope, we'll wait. Pool's popping today. Well, people gotta work. Unreal. I feel like the chance of us finding a nice little quiet spot's gonna be difficult. We'll see. Ooh, let's go right here. It's nice and shaded. Right next to a porta potty. And let's go right here. Alright, where do we start here? Let's start with the front, huh? So that is, the headlight is the Eagle Light 7-inch slim. I like it. Looks different. I honestly think I like it better than like an LP6, but I don't know yet. We'll see. These are the Hogworks like flush turn signal LEDs. Pretty sweet. Love them. They look cool. Kind of cut down on the front. I took the stock nacelle and I like trimmed it out, rough cut it. Doesn't look very good right now, but can't even really tell, but it's a little off. I'm gonna fix that. I think I'm gonna try to make it go flush here, down and around. I think that'll look good. That way the wires, the reason I did that is because I took it off originally and the wires and stuff were like hanging out the bottom, so I just wanted to kind of clean that up, make sure the wires were hanging out the bottom. What else? I did the Sly Fox shorty. That's the matte finish. I like it. Love the look of it. Galfer rotors, the waves in the front. Those are the bolts are Geezer Engineering titanium ones. Work great. I have the Green Brothers designs. Flush front axle. Galfer centered pads. Pro 1 +2 tubes with the Nowaski internals with their +2 adapter. Love the front end. Does phenomenal. I got this little oil cooler John off of Amazon. I think it works great, honestly. Looks better than that stock one that's like that matte finish. Kind of janky looking. This looks better. I like it. Santoro Fabworks crash bar. Honestly, I like the stock one, but I didn't want to put like highway pegs on my bike because I think that looks. I personally think it looks corny, so I ended up this raised it a little bit and it's a little bit wider, so I can get my leg around the air filter. So it kind of acts as protection and a little bit of a highway peg, which I like. Clockworks windshield bezel. Clockworks, I think it's 8.5 or 10.5. Sport Flare, can't really remember. It's one of those Bamco ARP with bronze little washers. It's dope. Harlan-Linette's mid controls. I honestly love this setup with SBC mini boards, thrashing a little peg. This setup's been awesome. Like I'm 6'1", bigger dude. I always found myself on the back, like the ball of my foot on the back of the floorboard. So having to move my foot forward to brake and to shift gears was kind of annoying. So this like doesn't move you way back, but it pulls you back a good enough bit and allows you to not have to move your legs or your legs and feet to shift, which is really nice, or brake. What else we got here? We got some more Bamco ARP on the cam chest, fueling BA air filter. Love this thing with external breathers. I got the breathers going down and out, venting in the atmosphere. Here's the C3 Vtwin. Got some good bronzing. This bike has been tuned. It made, with the same cam, the Shop 67 M480 cam, it made a little bit more torque, made a little bit more horsepower, so I was happy with that, coming from that Sewickley leg pipe I had. So that was nice. What else? Do I have anything else on this side? I'm trying to think. Original Garage Moto risers. Got the aluminum risers. I like that raw look. Went solid bushings, and then their pullback plate works well. Works great. I love it. I went with ODI mid bend bar. ODI, the new Vans waffle grips. These things are way better than the old waffle ones. I felt like the old ones like broke down really quick. I've had these for a while and they still feel sticky. One finger. I did the one finger adjustable lever brake and clutch. It's like the easy pull system. Quad lock for the phone. These little hand guards are just off Amazon. Nothing special. Flush mount cap. I think I'm gonna switch this out to like a, I don't know, like Performance Machine or Death Metal Racing or whatever. Just more of an MX style. I think Hoffman has a pretty cool one. I'm thinking maybe that. Can't see it very well, but I got the A1 high lifter. And I got the Galfer wave in the back as well. Let me pop this bag off. I'll be able to see it a lot better. Pop the bag. See the goods. So yeah. Got the Nowaskis in the back, 14s. I got them I got it second up, so it's a half an inch. I think it's like stock, half an inch, 1 inch. So it's at 14.5 currently. Really cool how he does the wire with the titanium bolts on the muffler. Here you can see the look at the craftsmanship on that. Custom mount, offsetted to miss that axle nut. Just looks good. Original Garage Moto reservoir mounts. Okay, I think that pretty much does it for this side. Let's move to the net. Let's move to the back. Oh, can't miss the Lapera tail whip. This thing is absolutely awesome. Love it. Leather, tuck and roll, or whatever he calls pleated. Gripper back, bronze stitching. Thing looks sick. Custom dynamics, fillers, and a low pro tail light along with their tri-bar delete. Some more Bamco ARP in the back. Got my little Bigfoot sticker because this is Bigfoot. This side, so you can kind of see the My Machinist horn delete, and then I just recently, just like last week, got his little scoop. Thing's sweet. San Pietro Designs derby cover. Thing is awesome. Yeah, I mean, that's some more Bamco ARP. I got it on the derby cover and around the primary. That's about it. I think the last couple upgrades I want, obviously, this bike's pretty much touched from head to toe. I think I'm gonna go radials in the front. I'm in between like the Brembo M4s or the like HHI has like a pretty nice kit. And then a big bore. That's pretty much it. What else? Bike needs cleaned. That's all I can. That's all really else I could say about it, honestly. Oh, My Machinist 1.5 inch block. Forgot about that for the kickstand because this thing sits pretty high. Now that it's +2 in the front, +2.5 in the back. That's it. Love this thing. Got about 23,000 miles on it. Hope to put a lot more. My wife and I want to show you at some point. We'll do a little bike check on her bike. We got some more stuff coming planned for that. Couple more things for mine, but realistically, I think this is pretty much set. This thing, I love it. It rides well. It's got good power. Would like a little bit more. It brakes pretty well right now, honestly, too. Like I'm not outrunning these or outriding these brakes. But why not? Why not? I swear these things, you're never done with them. Just want to keep doing something. I think at some point, last stage will probably be like a paint job, but like something simple. Maybe like some ghost flames, so like black ghost flames over the gunship gray. I think that'd look pretty sweet. Keep the bronze. I like the little accents of aluminum or like that raw look as well. Like black, raw, bronze, gold. Like that's like kind of the theme. And I know it, like I'm sure a lot of people don't really like it, but I don't care. This is my bike, right? Like we build it how we want it. I don't build it for anybody else. This is how I like it, so that's it. But yeah, that's about all I got for this thing now. What do you guys, what if there's comment if there's anything you want me to go into detail review wise with, the rotors or anything else. My wife and I have a couple good rides coming up here soon. We're gonna go down to the Smokies at some point here soon, and then we might take a little weekend trip down to the back of the Dragon. Quick little jaunt there and back. Gonna meet up with some family north, ride with them. I will say once I burn these tires off, which these American Elites have been lasting and they're super grippy. I don't even know if I want to switch to anything else, but I do like trying other things. So I think I'm going to try the Metzler Cruise Tex next on here. Once these tires are done up. But yeah, how am I doing? How's the quality? Comment down below. Smash the like. I'd like to do, like, I've done, this is one thing I kick myself in the ass for, is I've done all this stuff myself, but I'm like extremely unorganized, and like the garage turns into a mess when I'm installing stuff, and I don't really want to show that off, that side of it, but I can. Like, again, there's some other things definitely will install at some point. So if you guys are interested in that, let me know, and I'll do some install videos. I know there's a lot of people, not a lot of other people doing that, but just let me know. But yeah, I guess I'm just gonna let's hop back on her and go for a little scoot. She definitely doesn't like to be under 2,000, I will say. Also, looking for some, I know I'm super small channel so far, but would love, I plan on doing this, so love some sponsorships if anybody's interested. You know, it's a lot to ask, especially from someone that's tiny channel like this, but make it worth it. Alrighty, I'm gonna cut you guys off.